Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an appreciation letter. What is an appreciation letter? An appreciation letter is a professional note written to business contacts that demonstrates your gratitude. There are likely many times in your life when it is appropriate to write a letter of appreciation. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an appreciation letter step by step. Check this out. First thing first, you will have to write down your full name as a sender of the letter. And under it, write your title or job position or occupation in a company or organization. In this example as Vice President of Marketing. Under it, write the name of the company or organization. And write also the address of the office of the company or organization. When you write the address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. It is highly recommended to use the format of month, date, and year. And write the personal information about the recipient. You must write the full name. And write the job position or occupation in the company or organization. Write the company name as well. Since you are in the same company, you don't need to write the address. But you can write it if the office is in a different place. And you can open the letter with salutation like Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write the reason why you are writing this letter. State clearly that you want to congratulate the recipient. And mention the reasons. In this example, the writer appreciates the recipient's excellent performance this quarter. And write more about it. In this example as the recipient has single-handed for the company 100 crore worth. In the second paragraph, this is the point where you give the appreciate. Of course, thank you is not enough in business. You must give bonus. But before it, tell the recipient how his or her hard work and dedication is awe-inspiring. And you can also mention how the recipient is a role model in the company. And now, mention about the bonus. You need to mention the amount of the money here. And write your hope that the recipient will continue to grow with the company for the foreseeable future. In the third paragraph, write another hope for the recipient. For example, you can say how you expect to see the recipient as a forerunner and leader in the future's prospects in the company. And finally, close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an appreciation letter step by step. I believe if you write it this way, the recipient would be extremely happy. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. See you soon.